Hey people, the 5th of October, 52%, 926, software update. Haven't done this in a while. Software update 9, install later, install now. 52, 926, I'm probably going to forget that. Install now. Make sure you check out all my other videos. My channel is absolutely amazing. I should have 1 million subscribers, but I don't. I don't know why. I should have 100,000 subscribers. I should be famous. I should be getting donations every week from the donate to my PayPal link in the video description. I should have zillions of likes, thumbs up, subscribe. Oh my goodness. You get a little bit of reflection. I don't know what we're reflecting on. Samsung Galaxy. What was that? 926, 52%. Wow, this is going really fast this time. I bought a nice new background for my videos. I'm doing this in the dark so I don't get reflection off of everything, but how's that working for me? It's called the bed sheet. So, what's going on there, people? Haven't posted one of these videos in about a month. Is this the October update? Because we're at October 5th. Normally I get these updates at the end of the month, like in the third week. So I got this yesterday. Ooh, is that a bug on the floor? There's a bug on the wall, but I can't get it because I'm shooting this video without the tripod. Hopefully the bug does not move. I could shut off the camera, but no, I don't want to do that. Everybody wants to know how long this takes to do the update. Does anybody watch this to the end? If anybody's watching this now, let me know. Do you watch all this junk that I post every month? I mean, do you watch all this important video that I post every month? I must know. Okay, I thought this was going to go fast, but I guess I was 100% wrong. Is that focused or not? Yeah, I guess it's focused. There we go. It looks a little better. Normally I put this on a table with lots of lights and do the tripod, and I didn't do that tonight. I just want to get this video done, otherwise it's going to take days and days will pass by and I'll say, oh boy, nobody's going to look at this. This 37, 38, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 seconds per percent. 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's going on with 42? That means it's going to jump really fast. It's going to hit like 50% and it's just going to crank out. Do people still use that term, crank out? Like most bodacious? So this is going really slow now. Normally it's either very fast or extremely slow. I never know month to month what's going to happen. Come on, focus. There we go. There we go. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count with me. Come on, people. You're sitting here watching the video. There we go. Now we're speeding up. Let's get to 51. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, whoa, it's going from fast to slow. I don't understand. So make sure you check out all my other videos. Turn off your ad blockers, people. There is a reason that I'm on YouTube. to post amazing videos. Cha-ching! And if I find a little bit of muley in the account, that's always a good thing. So, I'm recording this at 720p, which I guess is okay. When I go to that 1920, it goes to 60 frames. It takes forever to render. In fact, I shouldn't say I just posted, last night I posted a 4K video. 4K, it's about 10 gigabytes, and I think it's 20, I don't know, is it 22 minutes? It's a 4K 9 gigabyte file, 10 gigabyte. Didn't take that long to upload. Not that, well, it took a while. It probably took about an hour and a half. With my cheap connection, because I don't pay a lot. Well, I do pay a lot, but... And it has been rendering for about 24, maybe 24, 26, 28 hours. Finally, after about 20 hours, it went from 360 to 720p. I post a lot of videos explaining the whole process, what happens when you post a video on YouTube. Why does it sit there at 360p forever? So, I know, I posted a 4K last night. 28 hours in, 20 hours, and finally went to 720. 28 hours, we're still at 720. And pretty soon, I figure within the next 12 hours to 24 hours, it's not that big of a file, but YouTube has gotten slower and slower. There are so many hundreds of gigabytes, thousands of gigabytes of video that gets uploaded every day, that there's only so much they can do. There's only so much processing you can do. It's incredible that they're able to store the amount of video that gets uploaded every minute of the day, and it never ends. And once people are uploading is there a zillabyte? Trilobytes, a gigabyte. So there's so much video that's being put up there, and it stays there forever. Very few videos are deleted. So they just keep buying hard drives, and it all gets stored in there. And what's amazing is that you click on a video, and it starts playing. They're able to find that video immediately, and it plays on your screen. So 97%. We're moving along. What was it? 52%, 926. Starting up. Still looks out of focus. I don't know. I started it up again. I shut off the camera and turned it on again. Is it out of focus? I don't know. Maybe not. Hello. So I might have to shut this off or edit out some stuff if I got a message while I was rebooting. Definitely don't need you to see all my private info. I don't trust anybody out there on the tube. Optimizing 471. Phone is updating, people. And after the optimization, it goes through some other ridiculous thing. And then finally, you wait, and then it says your phone is updated. So that's what we're waiting for. And then I can go post this thing. But if you have nothing to do after you watch this, go check out my channel. I drove around. I got a 4K dash cam. I already have a... What do I have? I've got a dash cam that I think it shoots like 2560 by 1440 or some weird number. I should remember it, but I don't. Some really strange resolution. And so, and then I've got another dash cam that I just did a video on, a video review. And that's only 1920 by 1080. And that's okay too. I mean, it's really hard to tell. And then 471. And then I've got this 4K camera, And it's 4K if you're only running the front. If you're running the front and the cabin camera, it drops down. If you're running the front, the camera, and the rear, it drops down. But if you just do the front camera, it is full 4K. And it looks incredible. That is why... Come on. That is why... Okay, so what was it, 26 before? 52. So we've only got 3%. I don't like all this reflection stuff. So normally when I upload a 4K video, I just let it go public until it finally processes. But the whole idea of this video is to let you see what 4K looks like. Come on, where did my screen go? So, I'm not going to post it until it's all done. Okay, I might have to cut away. Hold on. I have to cut away? Yeah, I have to cut away. Hold on. There we are. Got a little bit of hate mail from somebody who's trying to troll me. So I wanted to keep that message off the video. Finishing system update. This is easily going to be a 10-minute video. So turn off your ad blockers and watch this thing again. I'm going to put like an ad every 45 seconds. It's updating something. Usually it updates the time or the weather or the Gmail, which I don't use, but it still says it's updating. So after this, after it shows it's finished, it's not finished. It's kind of weird that it's... This really took a long time. Okay, now you would think it would be done. If I don't do anything, I'll probably get a message on the screen after a minute or two saying it's finished updating. But, hold on. And I could wait, the message will come up here. But the problem is that I might also get some other messages that I don't want to turn off the camera and do editing. So I got to be careful here. Yeah, this is boring, I know. People are saying, come on. There it is, software update successful. Updating. 49, 50, 51, 52, 9, 26, 36, 37. So 13 minutes to do the whole thing. Let's click on this. You are all set. Your phone has been updated. Let me take you all the way down to the About section if you are in Canada. Wow, remember I said where's the update? It's October 5th, and I just got the notice for the September 1st update. Unbelievable. Thank you for watching.